What's up, cubers? This is Cubing Pro, and we're going to learn how to do the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. It's quite simple. You just have to learn a couple of algorithms, and if you're not ready for that, I suggest that you don't try to learn this, because that's the whole thing about doing a Rubik's Cube. You have to know these algorithms, or you'll never be able to do this. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to solve a cross. It doesn't matter which side you pick. I'm going to choose white. And so what? It's pretty intuitive. It's like simple. So I'm not going to go over anything. I'm not going to show you how to do this stuff. But I'm going to tell you that when you do the cross, it has to be aligned with the side that it's on. So you wouldn't do like, for example, this, because it's not aligned with the orange, it's aligned with pink. But that's not the color that this is, so you gotta turn it down, go 2 turns, and now you're aligned, and that's the way you want to do it. I'm not gonna go over this again. Like I said, I'm not gonna go over this because this is really intuitive. And there's the cross. Okay, so the next part, it's a little less intuitive, but it's quite simple. You're gonna solve for the corners. Okay, so we have 3 sides, and the corner piece has 3 sides, and you want them to match the colors. So you have right here, we have a corner that has a white side, a blue side, and a pink or red side, whatever you have on your Rubik's Cube. And here we have the white, blue, and pink corner. So you're going to turn it away from that corner, put this down, and put that back in, and there you go, and it's in. I'm not going to get too deep into this because it is very, very intuitive. So again, we have the green, orange, and white. Here we have a green, orange, and white. And so we're going to turn it away and put that back in. Okay, and you can continue doing it yourself. If you can't remember, we're on a time limit. So next thing is to solve the mills, the second layer. So right here we have this green aligning, and that's what you want. But if it's like a yellow, you don't want a yellow on top, or on the bottom, because that won't work for what you're trying to do. So we have a green and a red, or a pink, or whatever you have. And then we have the green and pink side here. So we'll align it with the whatever color this is. You'll turn it away from the side so this is pink, so you're going to turn away from the pink. You're going to go left clockwise. I think that's clockwise. Yeah. Top, put that back down, and then you see this is out, so you're just going to do that move to put it back in. And there you go. This is a little less intuitive, so I will go very much over this. See here we have the orange that's aligning, and it's blue, so it's not yellow, so we got that. And here we have the blue, so the blue is over here, and this is the blue. We want to turn it away from there. Turn this up, go top clockwise, left counterclockwise, and then do our little move to put it back in. There are other ways to put these corners in. You don't want to use it for that. See, we have the green again, green and orange. This is orange, so we want to turn it away. We're going to go right, top, and put it back in. Okay, so if we have okay, one second. There is another case where this needs to be flipped. There are no algorithms to just simply flip it, so we're going to do the same algorithm that we just did. So we're going to go left, top, left, left prime, top prime, then put our move in. And then now we have the pink and the blue, and it's the only middle that isn't solved. So we're going to turn it away from the blue because the blue is over there and we need to get it over there. Left, top prime, left prime, top prime, front prime, top, and there you go. Okay, so now that you have the middle solved, you want to solve for the yellow cross. There are two ways to solve it, the last layer, but I'm going to go with the easiest way. And I think first what we're going to do is, okay, so this is there are three ways to have this. There's the line, there's the dot, and there's the half cross. For the half cross, what you're going to do is you're just going to go front, or there's one algorithm that you can do for all of them, and it will solve it eventually. So we're going to go front prime, left prime, top prime, put that down, and there. You have a line. So the line is the last part of this. So you're going to go front prime, and just do that. I don't really get these, so okay. So they're for this to solve the last thing. We're gonna put the corner or the cross in the right place. So there's an easy algorithm for this. So when you're doing this, it will swap these two places. They will swap places. So you're going to go up, top, and just put it back, and then down. And you have the sides. That was not very clear. I am sorry for that. Then there's another algorithm that's kind of simple. It's not as simple, but we're going to try to see if you guys can learn it. So this place is in the right place, but it needs to be swapped. So our goal is to get every one of them in the right places. So what we're going to do is turn this away from there. I'm sorry. We're going to go top prime, right prime, I'm sorry. Top, left, top prime, right, and then this is a step closer, and you're just going to keep doing that until they are all in the same right place. See, we have every single one of them in the right place, but they just need to be flipped. To flip them, there is an easy algorithm. You just go down, down. This also works for the Megaminx, so if you've ever solved a Megaminx, then this is the way to do it. Down, then that. And you just keep doing that, and you put it in. But always do it on the same spot. So down, or right. I'm going to try to do this. Bottom, top, bottom, top, right prime, top prime. Right, bottom, right prime, bottom prime. And then you do that. And then it's done. Just got to turn it. And I am sorry if that was not clear, but that is one of the ways you can solve the top side. I will go over the top side in a different tutorial and a different video another time. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.